I'm S. Ravi Kumar, research scholar, Krishna University, Machilipatnam, under the guidance of Professor K. Chandrasekharaya Garu, JNTH, Hyderabad. Literature survey, research group publications related to cybercrime case study. And today's topic is Janani Janmabhoomi Cha ICT solutions for Pronational Digital Society. Abstract of this paper is the societal status may it be progressive or perishable depends on the kind of information that is provided to the people of society. If society is input with right information, the society will progress, develop positively, and on the other hand, the society will perish with the wrong or garbage information. In this context, Right to Information Act 2005 plays a vital role by providing right information through information transparency. Proposed a research methodology based on information and communication technology approaches to prevent the conversion of cybercrime or ill-informed society into perishable society, and hence hope to succeed in transforming cybercrime or ill-informed society into well-informed society, and hence into a progressive society, knowledge society, and digital society. Introduction of this paper is right information, well-informed society, right information, knowledge society, ill-informed society, cybercrime society, wrong or garbage information. Motivation of this particular cybercrime. Two organizations and offline organizations, that is JNTHJOC and its online website with URL jnthjoc.com. Multiple cybercrimes, State Emblem of India, Provision of Improper Use Act 2005 violation, Fake Government of Telangana, FGOT, Cheating Government of Telangana, CGOT, and Seditious Government of Telangana, SGOT crimes. And here, the table 1 illustration of degree of crime, number of cybercrime, cybercriminal organizations, JNTHJOC and CSGOT, and number of registrants 2014 approximately, and number of crimes 4, cheating, identity theft, sedition, state emblem, improper use. And here in figure 1, screenshot of homepage of jnthjoc.com website as on 12th November 2011, and figure 2, screenshot of homepage jnthjoc.com website as on 8th January 2014. Introduction of this paper is Janani Janmabhoomi Cha Api Swarnami Lankana Mi Lakshman Rochte Janani Janmabhoomi Cha Swargadapi Garishapi. The meaning of this sloka is the golden Lanka does not fascinate me as mother and motherland are superior to heaven. This was said by Lord Rama to his brother Lord Lakshmana on entering Lanka after slaying King Ravana in battle. Nepal country uses the phrase Janani Janmabhoomi Cha Swargadapi Garishyasi as their motto on their national emblem. According to this sloka, we see the need to respect our mother and motherland, birthplace, more than heaven. And in this paper, related work and research methodology, principle of information transparency, importance of RTI to common citizen, well-informed society, knowledge society, digital society, road to information technology is in RTI, national life, quality of national life, force of positive elements, VCS society to virtuous society, pronational workforce, social networking sites, methodology, correlating Janani Janmabhoomi Cha, quality of national life, and RT Act 2005 for a digital society. And here in table 2, comparison attributes of quality of life with attributes of quality of national life. So we can see these some of the parameters of national of quality of life and national of quality of national life comparisons. And these are the some other comparisons. And here in figure 3, well-informed society contrasted with ill-informed society. A society is right information, then it is going to be well-informed society and becomes progressive society, knowledge society, and a digital society. If a society in a wrong information or a garbage information, then it is ill-informed society or cybercrime society. That becomes perishable society. And figure 4, ill-informed society to well-informed society transformation. So well-informed society can be transformed to a progressive or knowledge society or digital society. In figure 4, we can observe the ill-informed society to well-informed society transformation. And in figure 5, ill-informed India to well-informed India transformation in the context of Telangana. And figure 6, national spirit embodied in Janani Janmabhoomi Cha, positive quality of natural life and road to information technology leads to a strong digital society. And conclusion and future scope of this paper is a well-informed society is a progressive society. Every citizen, whether ruling or ruled, must introspect oneself whether he is leading his life adhering to the eye-opening great phrase Janani Janmabhoomi Cha Sargadapi Garishyasi, and check oneself that one is not a cyber criminal or an accomplice or a supporter to cyber criminals. Try to impress on people of our nation that Mother India and Motherland are superior to heaven, and to work for personality development, social development, and national development by imbibing these values in their lives. Proposed a research methodology that is based on information, transparency, and use of ICT technologies for the positive good to the nation. The future work is to keep our ultimate goal of our research, and it is to bring such awareness at a large scale, provide guidance and counseling regarding cybercrimes, demonstrate to utilize ICT technologies in a meaningful way to be free from cybercrimes, and motivate them not to involve in any of cybercriminal activities. Thank you.